Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important always to test fuses and relays. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find, guys, where the fuses for the Front PDC Power Distribution Control Module are located, stay with us, we'll explain that today. You actually have two fuses, so if you have problems with the Front PDC, that's the fuses you need to check. Now let's go ahead and explain how to check them and where they're located. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So what we need to check now for the Front PDC, where those fuses are located. Most of you may think, okay, they're under the hood, but actually it's not, guys. It's in the back. So if we come right here, not here, we need to go to the trunk of that Dodge Challenger. It's been in a little bit of an accident, so ignore that part, but still runs and drives. We drove it yesterday, so we just moved to the new location. Perfect. And if you come here in the trunk, guys, you open the trunk. Next to the car battery, okay, we have the battery charger here going. You have a fuse box right there. So that fuse box, what you need to do, okay, in order to open that fuse box, you can see right here, okay, we cannot see like that, 1 second. There is one thing that you need to press and pull out, and it comes out like that. Now, let me show you, okay, which fuse you need to check. The fuse, guys, okay, for the PDC will be actually pretty big fuses, and these fuses, guys, will be 60 amp fuses. And if you look right here, okay, this is the first fuse that you need to check, fuse number 2. Okay, this is the Front PDC feed, power control module, guys, power distribution control module right here. This fuse is one of them. The other fuse that you need to check is fuse number 4. Okay, this one right here. So these two fuses will be responsible for that. Now, if you want to see how to test the fuse, guys, or a relay, where to buy ones, replacement ones for a good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get them from for a really good price. And we'll put a link to a video that will explain how to test a relay and fuse as well. That way you don't waste your money unless you have one that you need to replace. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.